Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Meyu. Remember I said, Gutabano Patricia Mashale, let you ole. Yena non jabs. Those people that are uncovering is beyond me. But some things, like I said, just at times, and you feel good. This is actually not important. But about this one, I tell you, when Mngomezulu was just about to cross-examine Brigadier Bongani Gininda, who late Thulani Mngomezulu. This is actually not important, but I remember you in 2003 in Joburg. I'm just like, bra, now 2003. Beef then what's going on? Where do you know me from? Like, do you know how he goes on? He was like, bro, I have cross-examined you before. Kasi what? That is why our advocate Thulani Mngomezulu wanted to expose this guy. 2003 wathi ngiyakwazi. Wathi uKinenda yangwazi. Thulani Mngomezulu's words after uKinenda phikile wathi no, that's not actually relevant, but bengifuna ukutshela ukuthi you are not a new person. Yabo guys, na uThulani kodwa the way he used to go on. Brigadier Gininda end up athi ene I don't recall my lord besejeli court. Hayibo guys, uGininda esephika advocate Mngomezulu esithi I don't recall futhi usithi I know we've met with counsel before. Wow. Amanga, yabo, when you used to lies, guys, like you don't even know yourself at times. It's just like, what did I say just now? Like, Lord. Oh, I bra. And vele, if you've noticed, uBrigadier Bongani Gininda selective memory. Unalento leyo ukuthi lele ngizokhumbula le ngifuna ukukhumbula, this is about me, it's all about you. Ukanjalo, that's how it goes on in court. And most of the stuff I ngikhumbula untanda kabi futhi his words are normally I don't recall. Patricia Mashale, especially on this video that I'm trying to review, she does mention there, you know why they doing this one, Benonjabulo as a duo, is because they're trying to expose everything that's happening in that court, the Balois of that court and the Ginindas of that court. And they're not gonna shut their mouths, those people. You can tell with pastor baby peace. To a point where she's like, I'm not busy to come and testify around Mngomezulu and the stuff that we are talking about. Mngomezulu, I don't care. I will come. Nangoku Ramusipile kwenye throwback yakudala. uRamusipile uSipho uadvocate Sipho Ramusipile uBizinotumelo uthi wena uthi wathatha istatement, was the statement taken uthi ene uShabhira omunye ubhuti omude wangithatha, was working Musgrave Road and then we went to the beach. I didn't finish what to usezenzorathi uadvocate Ramusipile wathi, so you were having margaritas and cocktails at the beach? Uthi I know we were not, sasingaphuza thina. Wangithatha sayosithathela beach leso statement. I'm like, even naye uRamusipile, guys, I was just like, wow. Hayi guys, yabona uBrigadier Gininda fanele expose lo baba lo. Hey, yabona uBongani Gininda guys uyazenza into zakhe. Bathi uBongani Gininda worked as a detective from 2011. Akwaziwa ukuthi until when esebenza noMbotho. Umkhumbulo uMbotho naye who was involved in this case. Somehow he came up so many times in taking statements and all of that. That's how Mngomezulu knows them. It comes out now. Ukuthi no, ubhuti lo seyaphika usethi I know angikwazi. Umazela lapho bazanela kuphi ko Cleveland somewhere with uMbotho involved, and he was working uGininda under uMbotho as a baby of a detective. Jobe Sabai decorated brigadier. I'm just like, but you say I'm pig Mngomezulu. Brigadier Gininda, guys, his lies. And you know what's crazy about his lies? They always catch up. Bavele bambambe bathi, "Yeyi wena, uyakhumbula?" Athi, "Hayi, I don't recall." Yabona uma kosho njalo, he is done. Athi no corroboration. Akucollaborate lezi zinto lezi eniyishoyo ngami. Anginazi. Kininda. Hayi ngeke guys. Uyidlalile into yakhe shame. Uyidlalile and manje uyabambeka here and there. Uzobuya ke enomnisi uzombonisa ke. This time around, remember I said advocate Thulani Mngomezulu uzombonisa. It was just not meant to be at the time. Like I've been saying ukuthi yazi at times I feel like even nabo uSenzo Meyiwa nobaba wakhe, they're working on something. They can't just sit around. They want isikhathi esithizeni ukuthi lento must take another direction. Sijajahile sithi abantu ababoshwa, abantu aba-expose. No. There's a certain way and a certain time you do these things. It will take time. Like I told you, some case that I was watching, actually a few cases, US, 30 years, yaphuma indaba. When nje kwakukhona khona la endlini, it wasn't even that hard. Like how you see with the Khumalos. Bantu bebhizi baqamba amanga, kushoniwa le, hey, yazi yaphuma indaba umuntu bamfaka uZankosi waboshwa. Usejele kumanje 30 years later. Although I don't want this with this case, ngifuna u30. Can we just see direction this year actually in 2025? Sesikhathile. Guys, uGininde sephika uMngomezulu kanti uMngomezulu was actually representing someone who was arrested at that police station when Botho and Gininda worked. Because guys, it's impossible. Also, lawyers are not a lot. So 2 or 3 people will come. You would have seen me. And then man just says, you've never, ever seen me in your life. Mngomezulu was like, "Bra, you know me. Please stop. This is not the first time me and you are talking right now. It's not the first time." Gininda, ayangambonga bandla. To Patricia Mashale, the snakes. Zakuleya court yaSenzo Meyiwa's trial. She wants to expose them. And the fact that Gininda is now acting like he's never seen uMngomezulu in his life. You know why? Because then uMngomezulu was other things about him and he was going to expose him. That's why I see la sekhona manje. Nangendaba kaMngomezulu, because then what happened there? Ukuyibona leyo nto le. And he's acting like they've never crossed paths before. And they have. Many times. Not once. At Cleveland. And at Cleveland police station. And on top of that, uMngomezulu has cross-examined the same guy. Brigadier Bongani Gininda. You can't forget that. 1912. You cannot. 2003. And then I kept on coming to your police station. There's no way, guys. Gininda needs to just ngelinye ilanga athi, you know what, I'm stopping with the lights. It's a lot. And uthi Patricia Mashale into abazoyenza, they will never stop to expose them, because then it's now becoming personal. Ngoba it affects everybody, guys. Masusubuka kahle. Everything that happens at that court, it can affect your family, it affects just about everybody. And Gininda always think everything is about him. He forgets to go to uSenzo Meyiwa une family. He might not be here, but une family uSenzo Meyiwa, especially uma wakhe. Have you seen Senzo Meyiwa's mom, guys? Mesekhala. Babuleyo ke. It just breaks me vele ngiphele nami. Together with her, when I see her, those videos. When I see those videos, vele nami, I'm just finished. I'm just like, umama ngakhala kanje ngengane yakhe. Nayo Ginindezele. Kuhleliwe lapha kuqanjwa amanga. We must watch that daily. Yeah, those are crazy things, guys. To Patricia Mashale, she won't stop. She has evidence, and njengamanje sekuyi-battle of the fittest basically. Kuzobonakala ukuthi kuphelele lapho, kodwa ke bona umlomo wabo, they will not stop talking. To Patricia Mashale, even if they can come for them, The evidence is out there already. It's been shared. Uyazi ke wangithi vele besides the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel phela The Real Mastermind is new. Facebook. There. Facebook normally. Uba nama lives. There. Guys, you just gonna be exposed, guys. Guys, athi Patricia Marshall, whatever they do, they can't delete all of us. Cause yonke le information sesihambisile nakwabanye abantu who are not involved in this, but who are high-ranking people, they are also fed up. Imagine. Remember, guys, ukuthi uMngoma weZulu once said, the judge is colluding with the state. Was what he I actually made a video of it last month. Was what he urata mauti I'm colluding with the state. What do you mean, Andy? Mina, I will sue you. Urata nje mina ngizokuphetha. Esho kuMngoma weZulu. Why would you say I'm colluding with the state? But guys, you must also look at things like Punjabs was actually explaining it properly. You know, remember ukuthi advocate Sipora Musipil is the one that brought in uMngoma weZulu. Wathe uzonceda ngeke ngenza abantu abawu2 phela mina. Ngifuna ukwenza number 2 wena uzokwenza number 1. You represent number 1 and defend him. Mina I will continue with 2. Where is uMngoma weZulu? Mase sekufanele uMngoma weZulu akhokhelwe illegal aid. Came out with stories now. I end up uMngoma weZulu, and I've repeated that story actually so many times, guys. Uncle ga accused number 1 umuzi kakhulelwa Sibiya wakhokha uncle for years, wakhokha uncle for almost 2 years, I think. Then ingafuni ukukhokha illegal aid. What was that all about? Yabona ukuthi we've never really gotten to understand ukuthi what was the problem. But what's crazy about it though, who advocate Charles Mnisi bazomkhokhela illegal aid. Now he was speaking to them nabo ebatshelo, he wrote like an affidavit and also wrote an email to them to tell them ukuthi I know ngizoqhubeka necase kanje. Where I said he outsmarted uRata eze emenzela limi notice of motion ukuthi lalela ke nami ngiyayazi lo ngenze ngidlale wena lokubuyisa ngabe ecourt ufuna ukuthi ecourt angithi angakaqedi 40 to 60,000 pages angakaqedi, and this is how actually we're going to play it, me and you. Uloku busy ucabanga ukuthi you are above me, you know. Yeah, so nje guys kuningi kuya unfoldiwa ulokele kukhishwa, and there is a reason for why nomnisi ithatha isikhathi. I think there's a chance ukuthi ubusy no Patricia Marshall, just it's not out there yet. But yeah, uyayithola information umnisi ubusy naleyo information. Come the 19th, like I said, it will rain. Remember, guys, I once said bluntly ukuthi uRata is also in it. Because my thing is that how can uRata, guys, for example, allow these new photos that have nothing to do with accused number 1 to be added on the 10th of April? And then he's like, how, Baloyi, I hear you've added other things now. What other things did you add? After Minister exposed the route, they've just added the state. Some photos are accused number 3. Guys, like, why? So that what happens? We are done with those photos long time ago, to a point where Brigadier Kininda went on to say, haya ngimboni kahle mina accused number 3 keke uBrown lapho wathi umnisi wena uthi umbona Brown lomuntu, this person is light, he's not brown, ukhuluma ngani? You understand the stuff like that? uRata allows those things. Uyazivumela uRata, uyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo akanayo backbone. uRata so now he's being questioned kakhulu la ku The Real Mastermind. Iduo le uNjebs beno Patricia Marshall la kayibo lo wamuntu uphakathi inside kule ndaba naye, ngoba he doesn't seem to care about defense, and he doesn't reprimand state at all. Guys, isobe siqhubeke futhi ne at the end of the day uMngoma weZulu wayengafuneki ngoba wayesebonakala ukuthi no lona uzos-expose more than the other advocates. Into yakhe was simple, where he said, hayi man, long or short senzo. We understand? Kwathuleke court. Wathi uRata ngempela. He did. Wayiphinda futhi exactly how uMngoma weZulu said it. Was he did shoot senzo, wathi uMngoma weZulu he didn't mince his words. That's why he started phela. And uMngoma weZulu waseqala segula lapho. and then wayemelwe ngaphandle at his house, you know, and then the dog died, I remember, I think, as well. But nje, a lot happened after that. I was just like so quick, like honestly. So at the end of the day nje, guys, uMngomezulu wayengafuneki ngoba he was unpacking the truth, and esiza abantu ukuthi kaniqamba amanga wabatshela ukuthi you are manufacturing and you have cooked this thing. And uKininda actually did cook. Wahlala nje phansi wakhukha, and obviously with the help. Akazange nje avuke ekuseni uKininda apheke lezi zinto. This is why I always say about him, he studied it, this thing. He sat down, wehlanganisa. Just now and then, iyabonakala ukuthi hayi man, inamanga mas. It's not even going to work in the end. And that's why I ngithi mina, this thing, I always close ngisho njalo ngithi it won't end well. So sigcina lapho guys. Ngizonibona futhi later. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for the comments. Ngithanda over.